Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to optimize your Fiverr profile page. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fiverr account, and you, you can log into your profile. Then once you're on your profile page, you can click on this area here, view profile. This is when you're on your dashboard section. So make sure your name is optimized properly on your details here in your about section. For better results, you can also add impressive portfolio or your catalog of things or projects you've worked on in the past, and you can also add an introductory video and add the education you have and certifications where necessary. Also add your skills and expertise here. So once you've added all of these things to your profile should start ranking for whatever niche you may be in. And to get an idea for that, you can use this tool called Fiverr Quick View. The Fiverr Quick View provides you with the latest um, top focus keyword. You can see below here. Um, all you just have to do is to go into Chrome web store and search for this add-on or Google extension. Once you are done, um, click on add to the Chrome um, button on the right here. I've added it to mine. That is why it's like this, removed from Chrome. So once you've added it, it should appear this way. You can pin it to your bar here. It should appear this way, so you can access it from here. But what this does is that it's essentially for it helps you create the best keyword for that particular niche. And let us take a look on to understand what I'm trying to say. Let's just switch our profile to buying, and then let's just choose something. Let's say probably graphics and design. And for optimize your profile too, you can also see it here. You've added 65% of your profile, so you can also actually go in there and complete. Once you've added your introductory video, your certification, and all of those, it should reach to the 100% mark. You can click on any of these. I just want to show you how the Fiverr Quick View works. So once you're on this page, just wait for the page to load. The Fiverr Quick View would automatically list out the focus keyword on this particular niche, and it should list keywords for all of these individual gigs. Okay, it's already loading. So you see it has listed for these other gigs, and that's it, guys. So all we just have to do is to give it time. It should itemize all the key words for this niche. So this is how to. So once you use these keywords once you include them in your I suggest you just copy these keywords and keep aside. Then you can include them when you're writing your profile attributes, your skills. Once you add all of these keywords, your profile should actually move. It should actually have a lot of traction, especially when you create and launch your first gig. So guys, this is how to actually optimize your profile. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.